I'm excited to share a beautiful and unique technique to decorate dresses with embroidery bridging. For this tutorial, I'm using rayon printed fabric, which adds a lovely texture and pattern to our design. This technique involves sewing two hemmed pieces of textile together with decorative stitching by hand. It's a versatile method that can be used to enhance dress bodices, sleeves, necklines, and even other types of clothing. Before we start stitching, let's visualize. Decide where you want to add this embellishment. It's perfect for bodices, sleeves, necklines, really anywhere you want to add a unique touch. Now for the fun part. We're going to fill that 1 centimeter gap with a beautiful randa embroidery pattern. To begin, we'll create some foundation knots. Make 5 knots, starting at the left fabric edge and working your way to the right edge. Always wrap your thread over the needle and pull the needle through the loop. Then make 3 knots. Now that our foundation stitches are complete, you can continue making only 2 knots in the gap between each set of foundation knots for as long as you'd like. Remember, for each knot, wrap your thread over the needle. While stitching, I added ruffles for a more textured and elegant look. If you prefer a simpler design, you can skip the ruffles. This is a fantastic way to join 2 pieces of fabric with decorative stitching, adding a touch of elegance and personality to your garments. Experiment with different stitches, colors, and fabrics to create unique embellishments for your handmade clothes. When you run out of thread or want to switch colors, simply tie off your current thread at the back of the fabric. Then thread your needle with a new color and continue stitching from where you left off. Embroidery bridging requires patience and precision. Take your time with each stitch to ensure a consistent and professional look. Once you fill the entire gap with your beautiful stitches, admire your handiwork, trim any excess threads and give your garment a gentle press if needed. If you're interested in any embroidery essentials, be sure to check handystore.shop. You'll find a wide range of tools and materials to help you with your projects. Apply this technique to skirts, pants, or even home decor items like pillowcases and table runners. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Let's get started on this beautiful embroidery bridging technique.